Are you facing manpower shortages? Are you planning on contracting foreign workers, but you're not sure from where to source them? And on top of it, you don't know the immigration laws, contractual issues, and other administrative and social security issues related to foreign workers. If this is you, say goodbye to all your staffing problems. Introducing BCM Group. We provide complete range of foreign manpower solutions at a very competitive price. Be it a general worker for labor jobs or be an office executive.